Today I'm going to show you how to fix a flat without having to take out your tire. It's more inconvenient to take your tire out and fix a flat than doing it right there on the vehicle. I got this screw here on the highway. Alright, and these are the things you're going to need. I will put the link in the description below if you need to order them. Some long ones, tire repair plugs, and an applicator, and also you need this one. It is to file the rubber, that way you have space to put the plug in. This is the recommended size for it. First, get your plug ready, that way you don't lose a lot of air and have your tire flat on the ground. Remove one of the plugs, save the package, that way it stays nice in there for the future. And this repair you could do on the side of the road if you have to. Alright. Get it right in the middle. Alright. Now let's remove the bolt here. And be careful, that bolt could be shooting straight forward and hitting you in the face. See, that's what it was doing on the highway. So I went like that and I stopped it. So you can do the same thing if it's a screw like this. So be careful, this doesn't shoot you and hit you in the face. So make sure you get nice pliers like this. Okay, sometimes this hole up with the filer. Necessary to do that. Okay, get the other one ready. And press some force into it with your body. Get as much as in as possible. That way you have less to cut and there's more material on the side. Alright, so it's in. So now you bend it a little bit like this and pull that out. Perfect. What I want to do is cut a little bit. That way you don't hear that thump on the highway. Now what's going to do is going to wear out with traffic. And this is going to become dark as the tire, so you won't see it. As a matter of fact, once you do the installation, you will never see it again, because it'll look just like the tire. It's very rare you will point it out and see it. So now I'm going to check my tire pressure. As you notice, I didn't lose all my air pressure just because I did it quick enough. Let's put some air in. Take it all the way to 55. And to check your tire pressure, you don't have to go to your owner's manual. You'll always open the door, and somewhere along the frame of your vehicle, you're going to have the tire pressure. In this case here, it's telling me to have 49 on the front. Okay, that's perfect. That's where I need it to be at. So it's very easy to put a plug on your tires without removing them. That's how I like to do them. And if it's in the back, position yourself in a way that you can get your body force to put the plug in. So you may want to move your vehicle forward if you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, then you want to do it from this side. That way you get force from your body into the tire without having to take out the tire. Alright, very simple to do. This only costs less than $1 to do yourself. And you buy a packet of plugs and they'll last you a long time. If you go to a place, they're going to do the same thing. They're going to put a plug right on top. They're going to charge you $20 for something you can do yourself and not have to make an appointment. And it only takes you 10 or 15 minutes. If you ever have a puncture beyond this line to the sidewall, you cannot repair it. You have to discard the tire, throw it away. So if the puncture is beyond this line here, which is the front of the tire, never on the sidewall. Sidewalls are not meant to be repaired. Alright, this is the tools you need to make the tire repair. Very easy tools to use. You can basically find them almost anywhere, but I will put the link in the description below if you want to order them online. Alright, I hope this helps. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.